If this is the breakfast you're eating to lose weight, you are doing it completely wrong. That tiny cup of yogurt, that single piece of dry toast, that sad, lonely boiled egg. Everyone tells you that to lose weight, you have to eat less. That starving yourself is the only way to win. But that is a massive lie. I'm going to show you how eating a bigger breakfast will help you lose more weight, starting right now. It sounds impossible, but the science is undeniable. For so many of you, eating a tiny, pathetic breakfast is the #1 reason you are failing. It gives you insane cravings by 10 a.m., destroys your energy, and makes you eat way too much later in the day. But what if the secret to losing weight faster and never gaining it back was to literally eat more for breakfast? Don't click away, because today we are destroying one of the biggest myths in weight loss, and I'm giving you the exact blueprint and 2 of the most incredible, delicious breakfast recipes you've ever seen that will turn your body into a fat-burning machine for the entire day. All right, let's get into the crazy science, but I'll make it super simple. Why does a giant, protein-filled breakfast lead to you losing more weight? There are 3 insane reasons. First, and this is the most important, protein is the king of making you feel full. When you eat a breakfast with tons of protein, it literally tells your brain to shut off your hunger hormones. We're talking about cranking up the hormones that say, "I'm full," and destroying the ones that scream, "Feed me." Studies have shown that a high-protein breakfast can make you eat up to 135 fewer calories later in the day, just because you're not fighting those insane cravings. In one crazy study, when women made 30% of their daily calories protein, they automatically ate 441 fewer calories per day and lost 11 pounds in 12 weeks. They weren't even trying. Second is the thermic effect of food, or TEF. This is one of my favorite things ever. Your body literally has to burn calories just to digest food. Think of it like a metabolism tax. But here's the insane part. Protein has the highest tax. Your body only burns about 3% of calories from fat to digest it. For carbs, it's about 10%. But for protein, your body burns a whopping 20 to 30% of the calories from protein just to process it. This means you're boosting your metabolism the second you wake up. You are literally burning an extra 80 to 100 calories every single day, doing absolutely nothing. Third is blood sugar stability. A breakfast with a ton of sugar, like cereal or a bagel, sends your blood sugar on a wild roller coaster. It shoots up, you feel good for 5 minutes, and then you crash, leaving you tired, angry, and wanting more sugar. A protein breakfast stops that. It slows everything down, preventing those insane spikes and crashes. This gives you stable, non-stop energy all morning, so you can dominate your day and make better food choices. So when you combine crushing your cravings, boosting your metabolism, and having perfect energy, you create the ultimate environment for your body to just melt fat. Now for the best part, I'm going to show you how to use this science with 2 of my favorite breakfast recipes of all time. These meals are huge, they taste amazing, and you can make them for the entire week. Recipe 1, the ultimate meal prep breakfast burrito. This is not your normal fast food burrito. This is a monster burrito packed with everything you need. You can make a huge batch of them and have breakfast ready for the entire week. Here's what you need for 6 massive burritos: 12 large eggs or a carton of egg whites, 1 pound of lean turkey sausage, 1 large bell pepper, diced 1 medium onion, diced, a giant bag of spinach, 1 cup of low-fat shredded cheese, 6 large high-fiber whole wheat tortillas. Here's how you make them. First, get a huge pan, throw in your lean turkey sausage, and cook it all the way through. We're using turkey sausage because it is packed with protein and has way less fat than pork. Take it out and set it aside. In the same pan, throw in your onions and peppers and cook them for 5-7 minutes. Once they're soft, throw in a mountain of spinach and let it wilt. It looks like a lot, but it shrinks down and gives you a ton of fiber and nutrients. Now, in a giant bowl, whisk 12 eggs. I use a mix of whole eggs and egg whites for maximum protein. Pour the eggs into the pan with the veggies and scramble them until they're almost done. You don't want dry eggs. Turn off the heat. Now it's time to build this monster. Add the cooked sausage back into the pan and dump in your cup of cheese. Stir it all together until the cheese is melty and you have this incredible savory scramble. Lay out your giant tortillas. We use high-fiber ones because fiber also helps keep you full for hours. Now spoon a huge amount of the egg mixture into the center of each tortilla. Do not be shy. Remember, we are eating more. Fold in the sides, then roll that monster up tight. You can eat one right now, and it will be the best breakfast you've ever had. Wrap the rest in foil and throw them in the freezer. In the morning, just microwave it for a few minutes, and you have an unbelievable protein-loaded breakfast that took you 0 seconds to make. Each of these burritos has around 35 grams of protein. You will not be hungry until lunch, I guarantee it. If you want more insane recipes like this that make losing weight feel easy, smash that subscribe button right now, because I'm sharing recipes every single week that will change your life. Recipe 2, the creamy high-protein breakfast casserole. This next recipe is for anyone who wants something that tastes like a 5-star meal in the morning. The secret ingredient is insane. It's cottage cheese. Wait, don't click away. Hear me out. I promise you can't taste it. It melts into the eggs and makes them unbelievably creamy while adding a secret, massive protein boost. Here's what you'll need. 10 large eggs, 1 full cup of low-fat cottage cheese, 4 cups of fresh spinach, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved 1/2 cup of feta cheese, crumbled salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Here's how to make it. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a huge bowl, whisk 10 eggs. Now for the magic trick. Add the entire cup of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a protein superstar. Blend it into the eggs until it's completely smooth. This is the secret to making it so creamy. Add a ton of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Next, cover the bottom of a baking dish with your spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Pour the insane egg and cottage cheese mixture all over the vegetables. To finish it, sprinkle feta cheese over the entire top. This will give it an amazing, salty flavor. Bake it for 35 minutes until the center is set and the top is golden brown. Let it cool, then cut it into 6 giant squares. Every single serving is loaded with over 25 grams of protein and is packed with veggies. Just like the burritos, you can keep these in the fridge and heat one up in the morning for a gourmet breakfast in less than a minute. It is so warm and delicious, you'll forget it's helping you lose weight. So there you go. Stop starving yourself. Stop thinking a tiny, sad meal is how you win. It's not. The real secret is to start your day with a huge, protein-packed breakfast that works for your body, not against it. A breakfast that destroys cravings, skyrockets your metabolism, and gives you unlimited energy to win the day. Your weight loss journey doesn't have to suck. It can be about eating massive, delicious meals and feeling incredible. I dare you. Try one of these recipes. Eat a big breakfast tomorrow morning. You have nothing to lose, except the weight. And because you watched all the way to the end, I put these 2 recipes and 5 more of my favorite high-protein breakfasts into a completely free recipe ebook for you. It's the first link in the description. Click it and download it right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.